There are so many sessions in the symposium with artists from all around the world. You're going to have so much fun. Over the course of the week, you're going to have many different types of experiences in this medium. So how does it work? Well, over the week, we have several workshops, and they basically have 3 different ways of happening. One is the live. We are live every day, and you can interact with the instructor, and it's free for you to watch. You also have some sessions that are open to the public where you have the artists coming to the chat. Look at the video that you want to watch, and there will be a time frame there. That's when the instructor plans to be there with you and interact. You can ask questions and they will answer. And then we have the private sessions that are in the student area and are for those that decide to own the symposium. How do you own a symposium? Well, you click on the green button and you get all the sessions for the price of one. It's a discounted price while the symposium is happening, so that's the best time for you to get it. You will get all the live sessions, all the sessions that the instructor is with you on the chat, and all the private one, plus the studio tours. So there's really a lot, and you are going to love it. It's going to live in your student area at curiousmondo.com, and once you purchase the course, you will get an email with instructions on how to access. So make sure you check your spam folder or your promotions folder if you don't see that email, or contact us. We have real people here answering the phone. So enjoy the symposium and, just interact with your peers, make new friends, and enjoy.